All right, just get a little bit of the detail there on the lips. Make sure you get that highlight.
You could start touching up some of this white. All right.
Late this summer, we received a phone call from the city of El Paso. They were asking if we would be interested in restoring the Nativity scene from San Jacinto Plaza. Both Del Valle High School and Bel Air were asked. We split them up. There was going to be a lot of work. So Del Valle took the animals and we took all of the humans, just so there would be some consistency.
It's really, how can you say, it's very moving because it's something that has been enjoyed for generations. And it will continue to be enjoyed for more generations. It's something that all El Pasoans, when they go downtown, they expect to see and they want it to shine.
You're gonna need a little bit of the brown, maybe with a little bit of red right in there.
Sí, con el
Which-
red.
yeah,
Like
little-
this one?
Yeah, that'll work a little.
I was really excited to see the statues and see what we could do to them and stuff. We have really good students who are really good with painting and with art and stuff, so they know how to fix up the skin colors and tones and stuff.
Trying to make sure that they look realistic enough and that there's good shading and highlights in all sorts of lighting. And we wanted to make them look realistic and make them look, I guess, kind of inviting and warm and restore them to how they originally looked, and also kind of bring a new life into them, make them look vivid, make them look alive and happy again.
I'm excited to see them come to life.
Like, the process was long, and yes, it took hard work because let's not say I was a great artist at first, but now it actually looks pretty good, and the effects it will have on people, it brings me joy.
We're doing this because it's an honor, and we're doing this to help our community.
We welcomed El Paso to go to the plaza, San Jacinto Plaza, and come out and see what we've done as two schools united, one school district, and to better El Paso and make it shine.